Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike from Hydra Mobile Detailing. Today I want to share with you and how I get perfect interiors while I dilute this product, because this product right here is called Pol Star. This is a concentrated product that comes in either in a liter or up to, I think it's 5-liter container, and you can dilute this product from either 1 to 5 all the way to 1 to 20, depending on how dirty the interior is. But what makes this interior cleaner perfect for mobile detailers, because as a mobile detailer, you're going to encounter many different surfaces. And with this product, Pol Star, with its pH neutral 7, it's going to be safe to use no matter what situation you come across. That's the reason why I use Pol Star, because I've tried so many other different products which work great, but at the end, if you want to go in the safe route and not worry about if you're going to be damaging any interior, Pol Star is going to give you that safety because it's a pH neutral 7. It can be used in leather, alcantara, so you can use it in pretty much any kind of surfaces. Which makes this product a great choice, because you only need one product and it's going to handle the whole interior. So the less that you can carry as a mobile detailer, the better. And that's why I choose Pol Star. So today we're going to be diluting this product 10-1, and I'm going to share and show you how I dilute it. So this is a concentrated product, and we're going to be making pretty much a whole gallon, and we might still have some left over. So this product definitely goes a long way. So if you look at the price down and you break it down, honestly, this is going to be so much cheaper than any other product that you probably see. Just by purchasing one, you can make 1 liter of Pol Star diluted to 1 to 20. So that's an amazing savings if you break it down. So let's go ahead and break it down to 1 to 10. Now, the reason why I break it down to 1 to 10 all the time is because it's right in the middle. It handles either for my maintenance customer, and it also handles for dirtier interiors. And like I said, it's safe for all type of interiors. So now, before we start with the dilution, I'm going to share with you what I use, because I am not a math person. So diluting is still difficult for me. So what I do is I use this website, and I'm going to link it down below. So if you want to go ahead and use it from now on, it's a perfect way to dilute your product. So let me share how I do this. So we're going to keep it very simple today. We have 1 gallon of distilled water, and I always recommend using distilled water, because the reason for it is if there's anything left over and you have distilled water, it should just easily disappear and not leave any marks. If you use tap water or any kind of water that maybe has some minerals in it, when it dries up, it may leave a little bit of spots. So always recommend using distilled water. So since we have 128 ounces of water, we're going to be adding that right here in the bottom just to make it easy. So let's go ahead and put 128. Kind of hard with gloves, but 128, because that's what it's in here. And we want to dilute it to 10. So that's how easy it is, because it's going to automatically give you how much Pol Star you're going to need, which is 12.8 ounces. So really just shy of 13 ounces. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this whole bottle in here, and then we're going to add 12.8 ounces of Pol Star afterwards. So very simple. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's pour it in. Okay. So we have the whole gallon. So you see, guys, 1 gallon here, and 1 gallon is 128 ounces. So then we're going to need a measuring cup. I do have a measuring cup right over here. Now we're going to go 12.8. So we're just going to go shy. Now it's okay if you go a little bit over, a little bit less. It's not going to hurt anything. So don't worry about that. So let's go ahead and here 12.8. All right, 10.8. So give or take, that's about 12.8 in here. And then now we're just pour it in to your container. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this. This, what we put is 120 ounces of water, and we only put 12.8 ounces of Pol Star, and we got ourselves a whole gallon of Pol Star diluted 10-to-1. So now, the ways that you can use Pol Star is you can use it for interior, you can use it for the steering wheel, dashboard, the door panels, you name it. This cleaner is gonna go ahead and help out with cleaning all those surfaces. Won't clean the windows, so don't try to clean windows with the Pol Star, but everything else should be good to go. Even carpets, you have dirt or a little bit of light staining in your carpets, this is actually will foam up really well, and then you can dry it up with your shop vac and it'll be good to go. So that's why I choose Pol Star, because Pol Star is just versatile and is also in the long term very cost effective. So if you're taking your detailing business seriously, you need serious products. This is going to give you serious results. So I'm going to link this down in the description too, if you guys want to go ahead and try it out. It does support my channel, and that way I can go ahead and do more videos and share with you my secrets and what I use and how I use it. So if you want to use that link, it doesn't cost any extra for you, but I do get a little small commission from it, and in that way I can go ahead and buy other products to help you guys and showing you and reviewing other products for you. Okay, so thanks again for watching this video. I hope this was helpful in how I dilute my product. Try it out at 1 to 10. It's a great dilution ratio for Pol Star. Let me know what you think, and if you have tried Pol Star, leave a comment down below for all the new detailers, letting them know how awesome this product is. That way they know that they can try it out, because I don't want them to miss an opportunity in trying so many different products and getting bad results, because I know if they try this, their business is just gonna skyrocket, because they're gonna always get good results. So until the next video, we'll catch each other next time.